Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Not here, and I'm back with another video. So I'm going to show you how I take my nails from looking like this to looking like this. As you know, if you watch my videos, I am a press-on nail girl, and when I do put my press-on nails on, I do a full manicure to my nails because it is all about how you prep your nails for press-on application that will make them last the longest. So today I'm going to be using the Lola Mani and Pedi device. It is by Fancii and Co. It is a cool company that has a lot of different type of products, but they sent me over this Lola Mani and Pedi device to try. So if you're interested in seeing how this device works and how I prep my nails for press-on nail application that makes them look super duper professional and makes them last longer, you know what to do. Just please stay tuned. As you know, we are living in crazy times right now, so not a lot of people feel comfortable going to the nail salon. So I am going to show you how you can do your nails at home if you do not feel comfortable doing this. I have been doing this for years, even before quarantine and the pandemic and corona. I have been doing this for years, and I absolutely love press-on nails. You do not need to go to the nail salon, babies. You can do it at home. So as you can see, I just clipped my nails using a nail clipper just to shape them a little bit and clip off any excess nail because it's really not necessary when you're putting on press-ons. And now I'm taking a nail file. This is from a polygel nail kit that I got off of Amazon. This nail file is just really nice because it has 6 sides, but I'm not going to go too deep into it. I'm just using like the 1 and 2. It's actually numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just using the 1 and 2. So this is the Fancii & Co. Lola, Mani, and Pedi device sets. As you can see, it comes with 3 different pieces right here. So in that little bottom little capsule, which is so freaking cute, it comes with 6 interchangeable heads that allow you to effortlessly file, buff, shine, and shape your nails, just like you're at the salon. This part right here is the actual drill, which is amazing. It has a little button on the front that you hold down for 2 seconds to turn on and off. And this thing is portable, cordless, and convenient. So it does come with a USB. That's how you charge it. It's no batteries or anything like that. You could just plug it into one of your little blocks that put into the wall or into your computer. So it's just a very nice way, very high quality way to do your nails at home and save money on and time on salon visits. So it does come with a full instruction manual, which is very handy. I am using that to pick which tools I'm going to use to do my nails. The first tool I'm going to use is the needle head. So this is used to push back your cuticles. Pushing back your cuticles is so important when you're doing press-on nails because you want the press-on nail to lay really flat on your real nail, and you don't want any skin to be underneath the nail. You want your cuticle to be pushed as far back so you could get that nail right on your nail bed, and that will just make it look like you really went to the nail salon instead of it being a press-on. So I'm just going around my nail cuticle using this, and as you can see, it's going to kick up just a lot of white dead skin, which is what we really want to get off. Not only is this going to let our press-on nail lay more flat, it is also going to remove that dead skin, and that dead skin is just going to make the press-on nail adhere to our nail bed even better. Now I'm going to use the fine grinder. So this is a tool that you can use to remove any natural shine and any remaining product or skin from your nail bed. That is what I'm really focusing on when I am preparing my nails for press-on nails. I really am trying to remove skin, dead skin, make them as flat and make them as clean as possible. So I'm just using that in circular motions, going around from side to side on my nail, and then I'm going to move it around and just pick up any dead skin that is still remaining on my nail after using the needle head. Next, I'm going to use the tapered head, which looks like this, a little bit bigger than a needle head. I actually think I should have used this second because it is another like cuticle pusher, a backer. It's another way to remove dead skin from the edges of the nail, so it gets further into the edges, which I think this works better than the needle head, the first tool that I used, because after going in with this, it kicked up even more dead skin. This worked really, really well. This is such a high quality product. It's amazing. I was so amazed. So now I'm going to go in with my last tool, which is the felt buffer. So this is something you can use over the surface of your nail to remove dust. So all that dead skin that I have all over my nails, as you can see, I'm going to use this felt buffer to remove all of that. And you just use the tip of the cone to reach the corners of your nail so it'll get all up in there and get all that dead skin and any dust off the surface of your nails to clean them, basically. Now I'm going to use a bit of 91% isopropyl alcohol to really dehydrate that nail bed. I love using this to just clean my nail beds after I go in with all my nail drill and all my nail tools, do my manicure, just to really dehydrate them and make them nice and clean and dry to apply my press-ons. So I'm using the Impress Couture press-on nails. These are in Lush Life. These are by Kiss, and you can find them at any drugstore. I found these at Walmart, and these are an actual press-on nail. I have noticed, I didn't know this, but I was using glue-on nails, which I still would say that I like more than press-ons. The ones that these have an actual sticker on the back that you remove and press them on instead of gluing them on. But I did like these as well. They worked really well, especially after using the Fancii & Co. Lola Mani and Pedi device to do a quick manicure beforehand. But these were really, really pretty. As far as that Fancii & Co. Lola Mani and Pedi device, it's amazing. So high quality, so worth the money. It's not even that expensive, and it's powerful enough for acrylic nails. I cannot wait to use it with polygel. I am going to be getting into polygel nails. I am outgrowing my press-on, so I really want to try. I really want to try it, so I'm going to be using that. I am in total shock at how good it works, and it's rechargeable, and you can actually change the way that the drill goes, so it can go clockwise or counterclockwise. It gets faster, it gets slower. It's just a great way to save money on your salon visits. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy my nails. I hope you like them, and don't go to the nail salon, guys. Do it yourself. On that note, bye bye.